Hi guys, Assalamualaikum. This is Akib Daman, and I'm back with a fantastic chocolate, adult chocolate. Okay, so this is Quanta chocolate, Quanta adult chocolate. The company is Ado. This is rich nutty. Okay, not naughty, it's nutty. Okay, there is nut inside this chocolate. You can see here. Okay, this is the chocolate. Whenever I see this chocolate, this is my favorite chocolate now. Whenever I see this chocolate, without eating, whenever I see the picture, my stomach gets full. Okay, so let's open it. 3, 2, 1, go. Done. Very good. We are going to eat it now. We're going to eat little first. We're going to eat this part first. Okay. You can see there's squares here, like this, and some designs here. Okay. Really, it's fantastic. Not for telling you only. Really, it is fantastic in real life. If you eat it ever, then you will be mad. Okay. So. And very great. Okay, let me tell where I bought it. I bought it from Saudi Arabia, Hyperpanda. Okay, Hyperpanda. So we'll hazelnut. Okay, the nut's name is hazelnut. Okay, the nut is given into this nut, this chocolate. The nut's name is hazelnut. So we're going to eat more and more. You could buy it from any other shops. Okay, from anywhere from all of the world. Okay, in the world. So we're going to eat the last part again. Yeah. Very fantastic. Awesome. Very good. So we'll check the date first, okay? The date is not expired, it's there. So, thank you for watching, and I'll be back with a fantastic topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Bye. Bye bye.